Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best wood carving tools. If you're an avid woodcarver or someone who loves DIY projects, then you know how important it is to have the perfect set of tools to achieve the best result. So whether you're replacing your old worn-out kit or want to try a new hobby, you should check out these best wood carving tools in the market to help you with your wood carving journey. The team at trustedshopguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the wood carving tools that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our best options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first wood carving tool in our list is the BeaverCraft Deluxe Wood Carving Kit S18X. This wood carving knife set contains 8 whittling tools to help you achieve perfection in your handicraft. Best of all, the knife's blades are constructed of high-carbon steel to last, and the handles are treated with natural linseed oil to prevent the buildup of dirt and moisture. Overall, the set weighs 2.02 pounds, so you can take it with you everywhere you please. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the BeaverCraft Deluxe Wood Carving Kit S18X a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Leather pouch. You can keep your whittling tools safe and organized using the included genuine leather pouch, which will look amazing in your workshop. Chocolate walnut handles. Not only do these carving tools come in excellent quality, but they also look stylish and feel great in your hand with their chocolate walnut handles. Extra tools. Out of the box, you'll get a leather strop and a polishing compound, so you can always get your carving tools as sharp as you'd like. Highly versatile. With the set, you'll have whittling tools for any carving. Whittling, detail carving, chip carving, geometric carving, and more. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, some users share that it lacks an instruction manual, so we suggest you watch YouTube videos for a guide. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who are willing to spend a lot to get the best quality set. The second wood carving tool in our list is the Schaaf wood carving tools. Neither the cheapest nor the most expensive option, the Schaaf set provides a good middle ground. These full-sized solid steel pieces are available in 12 different shapes and sizes for novice and intermediate carvers. Because of its variety, the set is quite versatile and a fantastic choice for gifting. In terms of size, this one measures 11 by 6 by 4 inches and weighs 2.5 pounds. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the Schaaf wood carving tools a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Learning material. You'll get an ebook with helpful info about sharpening and caring for your carving tools, along with other carving tips and techniques. Ergonomic design. They set the bevels at the most useful angle for most carvers, so even beginners should be able to polish and carve easily. Well-designed handle. Aside from keeping tools from rolling off your workspace, the European-style octagonal ash wooden handles are an excellent accent to any workspace. Durable construction. The tools are made from high-quality alloy chromium vanadium steel and hardened to Rockwell C60, so their blades will hold an edge for a long time and won't dull quickly with repeated use. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, for sharper edges, the company recommends sharpening them before use. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for beginners since it includes learning material, plus they have beginner projects and tutorials on their YouTube channel. The third wood carving tool in our list is the AUGSUN wood carving knife set. If you're looking for a more compact option, the kit of 12 carving tools might be just what you're looking for. They're all made of high-quality carbon steel with an electrolytic coating, so they're sharp, strong, and long-lasting. And the best part is that the kit only weighs 0.6 pounds, making you feel like you're not carrying anything at all. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the AUGSUN wood carving knife set a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Comfortable handle. These knives have 4.3-inch hardwood handles with ergonomic designs for a firm grip that makes it possible to comfortably tackle lengthy projects. Storage case. Keep your tools safe and organized with the included storage case. This also makes it easy to take them anywhere. Practical accessories. Out of the box, you'll get a carpenter's pencil, a ruler, 2 sandpapers, and 2 wipe cloths to make your task easier. Safety feature. Each knife has its own cover cap to keep it sharp and, of course, to keep you and the people around you safe. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the tools are on the smaller side, making them difficult to control, but also good for small, detailed tasks. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for carving in light, soft wood since they have small tips. The fourth wood carving tool in our list is the WAYCOM wood carving tool set. With its packaging and arrangement, This 1.7-pound carving tool set is surely a good option if you're planning to give a gift to your creative friend. Perfect for both experienced carvers and novices, this kit includes a wooden spoon blank that may be carved straight from the box. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the WAYCOM wood carving tool set a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Storage box. The tools are kept in a bamboo display box, which is a fine way to sort your collection of carving tools. It also has a tight sealing lid to keep the content stable and organized. Gloves. A pair of durable gloves is included to protect your hands from cuts and abrasions, offering a safe and comfortable workplace. Safety cover. Each knife has its own knife sheath to keep you safe when they are not used. Extra accessories. You will get a leather strap and a polish to keep your knives sharp every time. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is you'll only get 3 carving tools, which is only fair given its price. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for gifting since it's perfectly arranged in a pretty bamboo box. The 5th wood carving tool in our list is the Adevena wood carving tools. If you want to take up wood carving as a hobby, the set has everything you'll need to get started. With a 0.3-pound overall weight, it includes 12 carving tools that can handle various tasks such as soapstone projects, crafts in vegetable or clay sculpture, so it's perfect for beginners, experts, adults, and kids. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Adevena wood carving tools a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Protective cover. Every tool has a plastic protective cover to prevent unnecessary scratches and injuries. Comfortable handles. Your fingers will never blister or feel tired with their wood handles that offer a comfortable grip for good control. Carry bag. This kit comes with a canvas bag to keep your tools clean and organized, make it easy to carry along. Highly durable. The tools feature SK2 carbon steel, harder than SK5, which can easily carve any shape. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, while this set may be a good choice for carving with the whole family, parental guidance is advised if used by children because the tools are sharp. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for kids since the tools are small. And there you have it, folks, our best wood carving tools which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next wood carving tool roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.